crispy on the outside, creamy, cheesy, and loaded with flavor on the inside. Today, we're making this epic eggplant bomb ready to impress anyone who tries it. I soak the slices in salted water for 5 minutes, then dry them well. Where are you watching from? Would you try this eggplant bomb with chicken, veggies, or maybe extra cheese? Next, I fry the eggplant slices on both sides until they turn beautifully golden. While they rest, I chop some spring onions and saute them. Then I add colorful bell peppers, diced chicken breast, and chopped mushrooms. I season with salt, black pepper, paprika, and coriander. A handful of mozzarella goes in to make the filling creamy and delicious. Now let's build the bomb. I line a small bowl with the fried eggplant slices layer by layer. I fill the center with our chicken mixture and fold the eggplants over the top to close it. I flip it onto a baking dish. Mix a spoon of tomato paste with water, salt, and pepper, and pour it over the top. Bake for 15 minutes at 180°C, and look at this. Golden, saucy, cheesy perfection. Slice it open and watch that beautiful filling come out. Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.